앉아서.
Okay, very good. Okay, today we are going to play the game. Today we are going to play the letter dice game. Before playing that game, we have to revise our phonic sound because that game is related to phonic sound. Okay? Okay. Are you ready to revise the phonic sound? Yeah. Okay. Let's revise phonic sound. Then we will play game today. Okay? Okay. Okay. What is the sound of letter A? Okay. Can we do it? What is the sound of letter C? No. Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. Carrot. Carrot. Now I will ask you one by one. Okay. What is the sound of letter D? I know. letter D? B. Okay, very good. Who wants to say the sound? Very good. Who wants to say the sound of letter F? F. Okay. Very good. O. Who wants to say the sound of letter O? Okay. Okay. Who wants? Box. Yes. Do you know your group? Okay. Let's listen. Okay. Team board. Stand up. Stand up, team board.
Board matter.
Okay. Take out your copy and come here. Copy and pencil. Team board, come here. Board. You did board. You are recorded. You are in. Team board. We are going team board, eh? Team board. Team. Okay. Now, team flower, stand up. Flower, come with team flower. Okay, team fruits. Make like this. Okay, let's go. This is group bar. Okay, now we are going to play the letter dice game. On this game, first of all, के बुझ्नुहोस् है तपाईहरु टिम वर्क गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ तपाईहरु टिम वर्क गरेको हुनाले एक अर्कालाई हेल्प गर्ने है तपाईहरु सबैजना यहाँ क्याप्टेन हो कसको लिडर को थाहा छ तपाईको लेफ्ट र राइट को लिडर तपाई है लु अब उसको लिडर सी एन्ड he is leader of her and him and again he is leader of her and her you are the leader of him and him and you are the leader of her and him. You are the leader of him and him. You are the leader of her and him. You are the leader of her and him. And you are the leader of her and her. You are the leader of her and her. You are the leader of her and her. Okay. All of you are the leader of your left and right. Okay. तपाईहरु तपाईको लेफ्ट र राइट को फ्रेन्डको लिडर हो. रुल्स अफ द गेम. तपाईहरुले के गर्ने भने फर्स्ट अफ अल round by round सबैजनाको टर्न आउँछ ल फर्स्ट थ्रो द डाइस ओके which number is there 2 which number is there number 2 what is there in number 2 2 which letter is this B what is the sound of letter B ba okay all of you say ba 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 now you have to write down number 1 and write B and write 3 words of letter B. B for ball. सबैजनाको सेम हुनुपर्छ. B for write down ball. B A L L ball. Okay. Another word. B for maintain the gap. B for bat. B for band. आफ्नो लेफ्ट र राइट को साथीहरुलाई हेर्ने सेम टु सेम लेख्नु ल डिफरेन्ट वर्ड लेख्न मिल्दैन किनकि तपाईहरु ग्रुप वर्क गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ त्यही भएर सेम हुनुपर्छ B A T bat B A D bat B A T bat okay now B A G bat B A G bat okay सेम भयो हेर्नुस् त B B A L L बल आफ्नो लेफ्ट र राइट को लागि हेर्नुस् B A L L ball second B A T bat third B A G bat everybody done okay now your turn throw the dice 6. What is there in letter? Which letter is there? F. Tick there. Tick, tick, tick. Now write number 2. And make 3 words from each letter. Okay? Got it? Understand? बुझ्नु भयो तपाईहरुले? सबैको टर्न आउँछ. सेम हुनुपर्छ है. Okay, thank you. Now each flower. Come here. Fish. Make this up. Make this up. You are the leader of your left and right. You are the leader of your left and right. Okay. Okay. First of all, throw the dice. Throw. Okay, fast. 6. What is there in number 6? Circle it. Okay, write number 1. Write number 1 and make 3 words of letter F. 3 words. Write down 3 words. F for flower. Same हुनुपर्छ है सबैको डिफरेन्ट हुन मिल्दैन because you are in fan. F A N fan and right flower here. Okay, flower. Flower. Third one.
Flower पछि
F for fish. Fish. Okay, write down. Fish. Now, after this, you have to make one sentence from above word. माथिको एउटा वर्डबाट तपाईहरुले 3 वटा वर्ड मात्र एउटा वर्ड चुज गर्नुस् अनि त्यसको सेन्टेन्स गर्नुस्.
सबैले एउटै.
Yes. Starting letter should be in capital letter. Starting letter should be in capital letter and don't miss to give full stop after the sentence. Okay? Okay, got it? Any confusion? No. Okay, go on. Great.
Fish.
Now, do you know the rule of the game?
Yeah.
Okay. You are the leader of your left and right. Yes, you are the leader of your
Left and right.
and you have to coordinate and cooperate. Okay? Show the dice. 2. Which letter is there in letter 2? Okay, write down. Number 1 and write please. Yes. No. Right. 1. Make 3 words from letter B. Same, right? Different would do. B for ball. Okay. B for ball. And B for bat. And B for baby. Right down. Now, here is the twist. Listen to me. Listen to me. Now, you have written 3 words from one letter. Now, you have to make sentence using, listen to me. You have to make sentence using 2 words from above. माथिको 2 वटा वर्ड युज गरेर सेन्टेन्स बनाउनु छ. 2टा वर्ड युज गर्नु भने 3टा हैन 2टा. Think, discuss first. Discuss with friend. Call that friend. 3टा वर्ड छ 2टा वर्ड युज गरेर Okay. Baby is playing the ball. Baby is playing the ball. Starting letter should be in capital. Keep full stop after the sentence. Okay? Baby is playing the ball. अब फ्रेन्डको पनि चेक गर्नुस् है मिलेको छ कि छैन.
Ball.
Full stop. Very good. Okay. Now your turn. सबैको सकिन्छ turn है. Okay. Action. Cheese